Hi everyone, it's Bonnie here, and I am so excited to be bringing you the September subscription box unboxing video today. This is my favorite subscription box probably ever, and September is always our most popular subscription box, so I can't wait to show you what's inside. The first thing I noticed is how gorgeous the colors and everything is. It goes perfectly with the fall theme, and I already love the patterns. I can see myself reusing some of this packaging in my notebook as it is. We have gel pens, which are probably one of the most requested items in different colors. The Art Journal of gel pens write the smoothest of any gel pens I've ever used, and here are some new color options for you. They're beautiful. They go with the Dark and Decadent Academia color palette. The stickers in this set are, first of all, here's the card, which shows everything, but I'll save that for later. The stickers in this collection are so stunning. Let's see what they look like. That packaging, I'm gonna reuse that envelope in my notebook. That's just too gorgeous. You can cut that out and maybe do like a Dutch door or something with that. This is just too pretty not to use. Anyway, 2 sheets of these stickers, and they are absolutely beautiful. Very academia. I love that, especially the old phone. How cool is that? I'm gonna try to put everything out where you can see it. It's a little bit tricky sometimes. We did take an idea from the last September box, which was to have a set of 2 notebooks. It was very popular, people loved it, and these notebooks are even cooler than last year's. Let me try to pull them out here. First of all, they look gorgeous on your shelf. Second of all, these have extra pages in them, so they're tiny, but they're very thick. I love the checkered pattern, and these pages, you can't really tell in the video, but these are actually gray. So this is our first notebook with gray paper. And this one has craft paper, which has been so asked for. When we did our Bring Back the Favorites survey, craft paper was like the #1 thing people asked for to come back. I'm absolutely in love with both of these designs, and they're gonna look so beautiful up on my bookshelf. Probably one of the coolest things we have ever put in a subscription box. This is so, so, so cool, is this letter opener. This is real metal. This is not cheap plastic. This is metal, and this is so cool. Look at this. We couldn't have done it if it wasn't in the subscription box. We had a custom mold made just for this. So how cool is this? It's a key, it's magnetized, so it's not going anywhere, but you can easily slide it out and have this letter opener. Absolutely in love with this. That's so cool. That's definitely gonna be an item that's only in the subscription box. I don't think we'll ever be able to bring that back, so this is very fun. Another one of my favorite items, and this is done in a truly unique way, is a notepad. First of all, it's a book, which is absolutely beautiful, and a notepad, a patterned paper. I'll have to show you this way. Why aren't they? There we go, the front. And a notepad with pattern paper, but the pattern paper is very cool imagery, and so you can do a lot of collaging with this, and I cannot wait to start making stuff with these. We also have, of course, dotted colored paper in here, as well as some of the cool imagery. Look at that. I want to see what you make with this. How cool. That's absolutely stunning. This could go on forever. Can go over here. Then we have these absolutely beautiful metal tabs. I always love these in my notebooks. And some washi tape. This washi tape is stunning. Of course, we had to have some books with the academia theme. We have the chess pieces, which are so cute, the checkerboard pattern, and this gorgeous floral pattern. And now my favorite I shouldn't have saved this for last, but this is the most stunning notebook I've ever laid eyes on in my entire life. This is going to be my new notebook. I want it in every single size. I am obsessed with it. Okay, but the video is not even going to do it justice because I'm going to try to show you the detailing on this. First of all, the edges are gilded. The paper is white, but this is like embossed. Look at the spine. Look at the spine. That is so cool. This is embossed, so it's like almost like a 3D texture. I wish there was a way you could see that. It is absolutely stunning. Something new and unique and so beautiful. This box is going to be a huge hit. I already know it. I hope you are all subscribed. If not, you can get a chance to get your box when we do the September subscription box release. This is truly my favorite box of the year, and I am so excited to show it to you all.